Alright, to make this, we need two videos. At first one, which is the video of motorcycle to the main track, and the second one as an overlay. Now we should find the moment that motorcycle starts to pass the tree. And after that, the second video should start. Okay, for each video we need a horizontal mask. For the first video we don't need right part of the tree, and for the second one vice versa. Now see what happens. To support my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Love you all and thanks for watching.